think in some ways what you're saying is you emotionally detach. You pull in, you no longer engage
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test for the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management.
Jesus.
Emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management.
This is a statewide required monthly test for the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency.
Excellent job.
Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Hey, Jared, go. Banking with.
Yeah.
Then Jalen.
All right, then.
And that's one of those myths and fallacies out there about.
They didn't even test, but oh well. Not them. Not them. And WGMS didn't even test.
Houses under strikes, under fire, under the rubble.
But they tested at least, so that was good. Alright, well, that was a good run. And WPPY did not test at all. Neither did WZXY. I don't know why, but whatever. But, alright, well, that was a pretty good run for the PA test.